One of the concepts that I came across in your book that I didn't know about before were the 3 color scales. You wanna tell us about
Yes.
those?
Yes. So three types of colors scales that you can use. There's categorical, there's sequential, and then there's diverging. So categorical you might use for data points where you're comparing, let's say, the four regions of a country. There's region A, B, C, and D, and you can probably have four different colors that distinguish those regions. Um, Something like a sequential color scale is when there's a natural progression. So, for example, if you're plotting the growth of a tree or a plant, you might use different shades of green as the tree grows. You start with a lighter shade and it gets darker and darker and darker. And then there's diverging, and diverging color scales essentially is when you start with a low point and then you have a midpoint and then you have a high point. So generally for divergent color scales, I'd use something like starting with an orange, having like a grayish midpoint, where you have like this sort of base value. And then as the values start to go up, it gets lighter blue and then darker blue. And an example for this would be like profits of a company. So if you're in the negative, you're like that orangish color. If you're at your benchmark, you're at the gray color. And then as you get more profitable, you get more blue.
Right. Not
Yeah.
green and red. Come on,
Not
people.
green and red. No.